Hey friends, this is me, I'm Sarah. So right now we're going to make the chili oil Maggie. So let's go make it. So first I'm going to put the Maggie into the hot boiling water. And then I'm going to mix it in with a spoon so that the Maggie doesn't get sticky. And then I'm going to light up a fire and make the sauce. And then I'm going to put the master chow chili oil in it. And then I will add the hot and sweet tomato sauce. And then I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to add the Maggie into it. Just mix and mix and mix until the Maggie looks like this. This is the Maggie made right now. Have fun eating it, and you should try this recipe. Okay, bye friends.